Look at these beautiful gold coins.
Tea.
Hello, silver fans. This is Amanda, and you're in the place to be for gold education, acquisition, and entertainment.
Hey, that's my line. Hey, Amanda, welcome to the show. Welcome to the Coin Cave.
I'm glad to be here.
Hey, normally I talk about silver on my channel, but I do like to diversify my stack with gold, and that's what we'll be talking about today. In addition, I'm going to share some information about a special giveaway during this video. I just hit 4,000 subscribers, and giving away free silver is my way of saying thanks.
Sounds good. I like your coins here. Can you tell me a little bit about them?
Sure, Amanda. What you're looking at is called fractional gold. They are coins that are a fraction of an ounce. Gold prices are stated in ounces, but 1 ounce of gold costs nearly $1,900 per coin. Many people buy a half ounce or a quarter ounce or even a 1/10 ounce, and sometimes even smaller coins and bars.
Besides looking pretty, why would people buy gold coins?
For me, it's 2 reasons. As a savings account, I can buy this gold and put it away and simply not worry about spending the wealth. It's also a rainy day fund. And although I hope I don't have to part ways with it anytime soon, sometimes stuff happens in life. And when we have large and unexpected expenses, it gives me peace of mind knowing that I have those coins to fall back on. And as a bonus, collecting and looking at these pieces is a great hobby, in my opinion.
Do you think I should start buying some gold like this?
Actually, I think everyone should. It's been a store of wealth for 5,000 years, and in today's uncertain times, I think it's a safe and smart decision.
So you think it's a good investment?
Well, I'm not sure if I'd use the word investment for a slow and steady asset like physical gold. But I can tell you about another way that I've recently invested in gold. I bought stock in a company that I think is poised to do very well with the potential for explosive growth in the near future. It's called GoldMining Incorporated.
I don't know much about stocks. Can you tell me more?
Sure, I'd be happy to, but first let me inform my viewers that the remainder of the video will be paid programming sponsored by GoldMining Incorporated. Hey, I am not a financial advisor, but I have been investing in the stock market for over 25 years. The first thing we will start with is our DD, our due diligence.
What's due diligence?
Well, it's basically our research. It's everything we can find out about a company so we can make an educated decision as to buy or simply pass on it.
Okay, you've done the research. Tell me about GoldMining Incorporated.
Okay, let's start with the New York Stock Exchange ticker symbol. It's GLDG. I always take a look at the current price, where it's been, and which direction it's heading. Take a look. Here you can see the long-term chart. Hey, not bad. But what is really intriguing is the direction it looks like it's heading. It looks like it's low enough to be a buy at a great bargain.
Okay, numbers don't lie. They seem to look good, but tell me, who runs the company?
Well, the founder is super sharp. His name is Amir Adnani. Mr. Adnani is the chairman of GoldMining Incorporated and is currently directing the growth of a gold resources acquisition development company with gold projects across the Americas. Here's an image of him with one of my favorites in the precious metals community. He has decades of experience and knows how to put deals together. The CEO is a gentleman named Alistair Still. Like Mr. Adnani, he also has decades of experience and from what I can tell is very hands-on.
So besides good leadership, what makes you think GoldMining Incorporated is poised to go up?
Well, for starters, let's look at the world climate. Inflation is up. The Fed is tightening, and interest rates are on their way up too. Historically, when these things happen, the price of gold goes up. Who is better positioned to profit from this than GoldMining Incorporated? The answer is nobody.
I like those charts you showed me. Can you show me some more?
Sure, take a look at this. Technical analysis suggests that a massive cup and handle is formed, serving as the launch pad for 2,800-ounce gold. Now, take a look at this one. This amazing chart shows that the bull market hasn't even begun. This one has a massive push ahead of it.
That's some compelling technical info. But what about good old-fashioned gold jewelry? Will that demand for gold be significant?
Yes, a gold bullish catalyst, which many U.S. retail investors never think about, strong consumer demand for gold jewelry, particularly in emerging markets. We kind of take it for granted that people buy gold jewelry in this country, but around the world, new consumers are finding themselves in a position to purchase jewelry just like us. Jewelry accounts for 50% of global gold demand, followed by central bank reserves at 25%, individuals at 15%, and industrial use at 10%. The next 6 months will see the highest demand in India with the festival and wedding season underway. Additional catalysts from Chinese New Year and gift giving in the West could help to propel the gold price as well.
Where is GoldMining Incorporated sourcing all of this gold?
Everywhere. They are involved with projects all over the world. Take a look at this map to see what I mean. Everywhere from Alaska to South America.
What's that stock symbol again?
GLDG. For me, it was as easy as going to my old school E-Trade account to purchase shares. But I would strongly encourage you to go to GoldMining Inc's website for more information.
Where else can I learn more?
Well, the easiest and best thing to do in order to stay on top of news from the company as it comes out is to stay alerted by going to GLDGnews.com. I'll put the links to the website mentioned above and the opportunity to sign up for alerts in the video description below.
How about surprises? Is there anything unexpected that you've learned about this company?
Well, actually, yes. By buying this stock, you're not only getting exposed to gold, but they have an extremely strong position in copper as well. The gold alone is a strong enough reason to consider GoldMining Inc., but I consider the copper a bonus. If your husband's had to do any electrical work lately, you may already know that the copper prices in this country are through the roof. And don't even get me started on the forecast for copper with all of the green energy projects and other demands for copper that are in the pipeline.
T, you've really done your research.
Well, I'm a bit of a geek like that, but what I really like are charts. I'll show you a few of the charts that I found to be most helpful. This one shows the bear and bull markets. Bear markets are when the prices go down, and of course, bull markets are when they rally and go up. This chart makes me feel like we're at the beginning of what could be a major bull market. Take a look at this one. It kind of reminds me of 1930s bank robber Willie Sutton, who was asked, "Willie, why do you rob banks?" His answer, "Because that's where all the money is." Well, in 2022, central banks are where the real money, gold, is. This chart is very telling. Look what the central banks around the world are doing. Hoarding gold. If the central banks are in gold, hey, that's where I want to be too.
That's really interesting. Can you tell me more?
Absolutely. Hey, take a look at this slide right here. Remember how I showed you earlier that GoldMining Incorporated has projects all across the Americas? Well, this slide right here shows that they have the equity and the cash to get all those projects done.
GoldMining Incorporated, it sounds like a slam dunk.
Well, hey, I would encourage all of my loyal viewers to do their own due diligence, but to me, GoldMining Inc. has the leadership, they've got the global partners, and they've got the properties. And they've got the cash to push each one of their projects forward.
Well, thanks for the education.
Hey, it was absolutely my pleasure, Amanda, and thanks for coming to the Coin Cave today. And to all of my viewers out there, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video for a special giveaway. Be sure to make a comment on this video for the secret GAW. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. T.